they already let you know you're not going to travel, right? So they're not going to let you pass the security.
Sir, I purchased a ticket. No.
Do you understand what a lifetime ban from a flight is? Stop trying to get up.
Can a paid ticket legally guarantee your right to fly? What happens when personal belief about rights collides with federal aviation law, and at what exact moment did a civil dispute become a criminal case? This video examines each legal threshold as it was crossed.
For the next flight to win.
So you can have something to eat, and you can
The next flight to win.
commercial.
Yeah, win.
I can check for you. I can fix it for you.
What are you saying?
I need to move you for the next available flight.
That's not happening. So, thank you. But
So unfortunately, you won't be able to travel today, sir. Until you get something to eat, you hydrate, and you feel better.
thank you for your concern, but that's not happening.
Okay, sir. Unfortunately, you cannot travel today, sir. So may I have your deal boarding pass, please, so I can move you to the flight? You can go.
Sir, on this report here, so they already let you know you're not going to travel, right? So they're not going to let you pass the security.
Sir,
They have the
thank you.
final notice. It doesn't matter what you think.
I get it,
Okay,
but
but you're not going to travel no matter what. So there's no point of going through this now. That's the managers, supervisors of Spirit right there. They have the final decision. Once they say you can't get on the plane, you can't get on the plane.
All right, let me
There's
call my dad.
You call whoever you want. Like.
Yeah,
You want to come
I
this
will.
way? So we were out of the line. We don't want nobody to bump into you on mistake.
You're welcome to take his picture, my picture.
All right, look, my name's right there. Make sure you get it clear.
yeah, I got you.
Good.
Can we please just step out of the line
Go
over
this
here?
way.
Sir, right over this way, please. You're welcome to make any phone calls that you need.
Let's walk this way. Go call your dad over there. That way you're not in the line and I don't want nobody bumping into you by mistake.
I'm sorry, but what is going on?
You're being asked not to fly because of your current intoxicated state. I can tell you your breath's flammable right now. You're that intoxicated. But they have the final say. We're just simply asking you to step out of the line because you're literally in the middle of the line right
I
now.
will be in line.
Thank you. I wouldn't step over to that line either, sir.
Just that's illegal.
relax for a moment.
Guess what?
What's that?
I follow the law, and it's illegal for you guys to try to withhold me from going to the law
I'm not
because
trying-
I'm not doing anything wrong.
I'm not trying to withhold you
Okay,
from
so
doing
then let me
anything,
go.
but
I already purchased my ticket. My ticket is purchased. I'm checked in. I'm going home. Thank you.
You're not going to be able to fly.
Yes, I am, because guess what? It is not against law for me to fly when I already purchased my ticket against law.
sir, understand this. Just try.
Sir, I already understand.
Try
Sir,
to,
thank you, Mr. Hansen. I already understand. I
don't think you do because you're
Sir,
really not listening.
No, I am listening. Sir, I purchased
Listen.
a ticket. No, I purchased a ticket. No.
Do you
officer
understand
can
what a
purchase
lifetime
ticket against me.
ban from a flight is?
I understand what a lifetime ban for.
'Cause you're about
I didn't
to
get
catch
that.
one.
Yeah, but I didn't.
If the manager's
I
asked,
didn't. I already purchased my ticket. Guess what? I am studying law. So thank you.
All right. Boy. So, what do we do? He's not
you guys
flying.
gonna rebook
He
him?
gotta go. He's done. I need his ticket because I'm getting ready to ban him also.
Yeah, so I'm going. Just let me go. What?
Okay, you're welcome to go. We have never stopped you from leaving.
Thank you.
You're just not getting on the flight. You can go that direction, not this direction.
Okay, so when my mom dies, that's on you.
I'm sorry to hear that you're having
That's on
issues.
you. Just leave me alone.
Sir, you don't
I'm
understand. You're
literally
not
just
going to be
going
able
home.
to board this flight
Why?
because you're intoxicated and the people that are managing this airline said they're not willing to allow you to get on the plane.
Wait, so are you gonna refund me my flight?
That's what they've been trying to do,
Let's
sir.
step this way so we're not in their way.
Yeah, can you guys refund my flight?
Let's go to the desk. Let's get you.
I'm waiting for you.
Go. You were walking the whole time, right? Oh, you were walking.
We're
My
past that.
sister
We're
is
past
dead. No,
Sir,
stop.
do not touch me. Do you understand that? Sir, I'm going to give you the final warning. If you touch me again, you are going to jail. Do you understand that?
I'm watching.
I hope so. I'm also watching.
Yeah.
This camera's been recording your behavior. I'm telling you right
I
now.
understand. I understand all of my rights because I'm a lawsuit.
That's excellent. They're going to try to refund you, but you have to relax. You have to give them your information.
I'm not going to relax until you tell me I can go home because I've done nothing.
You're not going to be allowed to board this flight, sir. This gentleman's attempting to refund your flight. Do you have your ticket?
Because you're trying to get him to
Or do you have your
flight.
ID? Do you have an ID or your ticket? If you don't wish to get a refund, you're more than welcome to leave. But if you want a refund, they need to know who you are.
If I don't get a refund, you will. I have. No, I'm not.
Listen to me. Because you make it hard. You will not make it easy like this. So first of all,
No, this is for the cop's sake. Trust me, Gen Zs need this.
if you want the car, I can get you the car. But I do not travel.
Just get me back.
You cannot take the flight today.
Okay, listen, at this point, let's just look for a refund. Give him a refund, let's put him on the no-fly list. Because at this point, he's going back and forth. We're having too much problems with him. Let me get your boarding pass.
I just want to go home to my sister died. Are you fucking kidding me?
Let me get your boarding pass and I'll get your
I just want to go home to where my sister died.
Understood. May I have your boarding pass and I'll help you to get home. Let me get your boarding pass. Yeah, I'll get your boarding pass.
Only if you promise I go home.
Yes, promise. Let me get your boarding pass. I get you. May I have your boarding pass?
Only if you promise.
And I'm promising you. I'm making promise. Let me get your boarding pass. Let me get your boarding pass. Give me your boarding pass. I'm sorry. I lost my mom too. Let me get your boarding pass. I'm gonna help you. Let me get your boarding pass.
You're not going through there. I'm telling you right now. Take off the glove side. I'm telling you right now.
Sorry?
You're not going through there. I'm telling you right now.
Okay.
So if I was you, walk outside, cool off when you're obviously sober, and then we'll go from there. There's no anything you're gonna say that's gonna change my mind. I'm giving you 10 seconds to walk out those doors right now.
No, I know, but can I have like a...
No, go.
Part two, I have them against...
Alright, listen, I'm gonna tell you something right now. Come back here. I'll tell you right now.
Well,
You have no book. You have no booking right now.
I do have U.S. against jail too.
Okay, I'm telling you right now, you will go to jail if you come back in here. She has not rebooked you. I have confirmed it with her.
I have
Sir,
it
let me
against
speak.
my personal...
Sir, let me speak.
Yes.
She has not rebooked you because of the state that you're in right now. You're highly intoxicated.
Can I talk against the Supreme Court?
Who?
Against the Supreme Court?
Yes, if you want, take it wherever you want.
The Supreme Court says you cannot take us against our right. We have the right to a fair trial.
Take 2 steps back.
No!
Take 2 steps back.
Against a fair
Take
trial.
2 steps back.
Here we go.
You're being trespassed right now. Come back here.
You're being
Sir,
filmed.
I need you to
You're
leave.
being filmed.
You're being filmed too. I need you to leave.
Okay.
Sir?
No. I have every right. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Oh my goodness.
You didn't send it back. Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
I pull the bag off.
Can I get the other hand?
You got it?
Oh my.
Stop trying to get up.
Help! Someone
Stop.
film this!
Stop trying to get up.
Someone film this!
Where's my mic?
They're taking my fucking right. Look at my fucking right. They are taking it with her. Yeah, you do.
Get him up. Get up.
Let me get my Give me my phone. I know I have my phone because I know I have that against my right because I've read every constitution. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. I know I have it.
Downstairs.
Sunshine.
Stop.
Hey, do that shit again. You're gonna get another charge.
Stop. You're gonna make things worse for you, right?
I'll make things worse. Yeah.
Yeah,
All right.
stop. Go get your gloves. I'm good.
Don't fucking curse at me.
Relax. Michael, you're making it worse for yourself.
I don't care.
Dude, you're drunk right now, so you're saying that. Think about what you're doing.
No, I'm not.
You can smell it.
No, I don't care.
All right, relax.
No, you don't f***ing care.
I do.
You know you f***ing don't. Take care, Jamie. Take Jamie. I don't care. Take Jamie. I don't. I don't have any. You guys just are so mean.
We gave you plenty of times, man.
No, you didn't.
We did.
No, you didn't. All you care about is your ego.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
All right, Michael.
All you care about is your ego.
Can I let you go and you're gonna be fine?
No.
You're gonna relax? Come on, let's start relaxing, man. You're not making it any better for yourself. All right?
Yeah.
Look, your property's back with you.
You guys don't give a fuck. You guys have never given a fuck. Every time we tried to tell you guys to you guys don't care. Take my guys, I have to get.
Michael, they were trying to rebook you for later on today. All you had to do was, you were asked multiple times, just leave the airport, you're intoxicated right now, come back sober, you were gonna leave later on today. He was trying to get you on a flight. You just didn't want to listen, man.
Alright, then tell me that. Because
We did tell you, we told you.
No, that's not how they were acting, and you know it. Stop.
They all told
You can act like-
The manager told you, we were right there. We told you 100 times. She was gonna ban you for life. She said, you know what, let me not, for a year it is. She said, let me not do that. Let me, you told her, you have family issues, let me help them out. She tried to do it, and then you started acting up again. We asked you to leave, you came back 2-3 times. All this would have been avoided if you would have just left the first time. Come down here, sleep for an hour, and go back up. But you weren't, once you get canceled, you have no business.
I don't think you understand how the they act. You don't understand how the they act, period.
Now, who asked?
That's your fault.
I gotta put it behind your back. Turn around, that's why I'm going this way. Hands together like you're praying. Put your mask on, dude. What'd you take it off for? Thanks.
Sorry.
That's okay, thanks. Michael, put your mask on. Put your mask on. Okay. Put your hands together like you're praying. Put them together like this. No. Like this, like you're praying. Michael. Put them together like you're praying.
All right, thank you.
Ow. Well, stop making you harm yourself, Michael. That's what got you into this mess. Then have a seat in the car. Watch your head. Put your tush in first. Get to the seat. Watch your head. Watch your head. All right, bro. I appreciate it. Okay, watch yourself. Thanks. I'm gonna take I'm going straight there now, bro.
Sir?
Yes.
Where are you going?
The jail?
No.
What do you think you're in cuffs for? What do you think this whole thing happened? You have no recollection of what you did this morning or what happened? You don't remember anything from this morning?
No, I did. Can I please make
Yeah, when you get there, you can make a phone.
Federal law boarding denial under 14 CFR section 121.175. Air carriers are federally required to deny boarding to any visibly intoxicated passenger. This is not airline policy. It is a binding FAA mandate. Non-compliance by the carrier would itself constitute a federal violation. Under 49 U.S.C. section 44,902, an aircraft operator holds independent statutory authority to refuse transport to any person deemed inimical to safety. A purchase ticket is a contract of carriage expressly subordinate to federal safety law. No court has recognized a constitutional right to board a commercial aircraft. Florida state law trespass. Under Florida statute section 810 dite, willfully remaining in a structure after receiving formal trespass notice constitutes a crime, not a civil dispute. An airport terminal is legally classified as a structure under Florida law. The trespass notice is the legal dividing line before it. Presence is a disagreement after it. Presence is an offense. Battery on law enforcement. Under Florida statute, section 784.s. Battery on a law enforcement officer is an enhanced criminal offense distinct from simple battery, physical contact documented on camera and preceded by explicit verbal warning. Satisfies every statutory element. The officer warning captured on video became the prosecution's evidentiary foundation. Resisting without violence misdemeanor. Under Florida statute section 843.02, obstructing an officer in the lawful execution of duty without violence is a first-degree misdemeanor. Verbal refusal to comply with a lawful directive meets this threshold. This charge is often underestimated. It is the legal base from which all subsequent escalating charges derive. Resisting with violence felony. Under Florida statute section 843.1, resisting an officer by offering or committing violence constitutes a third-degree felony. This single escalation triggered by physical resistance at arrest permanently reclassified the entire encounter from misdemeanor to felony territory. The legal category shift is irreversible once the conduct occurs. Case law use of force. The Supreme Court held that force must be assessed from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene, not with hindsight. 3 factors govern severity of the crime, immediate threat level, and active resistance. All 3 were simultaneously present at the moment physical control was applied. Case law arrest authority. In Atwater v. City of Lago Vista 2001, the Supreme Court confirmed that warrantless custodial arrest is constitutionally permissible wherever probable cause exists, even for minor offenses. By the point of arrest, probable cause had accumulated across trespass to battery incidents and active felony-level resistance. The threshold was exceeded at multiple independent points. Legal lessons. 3 principles define this case. First, federal aviation safety law overrides any private contract of carriage. Second, each refusal to comply generated an independent charge. They did not merge, they stacked. Third, verbal assertion of legal arguments is constitutionally protected. Physical non-compliance with a lawful order is not. Charge summary 6. Criminal charges. Filed battery on law enforcement officer twice under section 784.07, resisting with violence under section 843.01, resisting without violence under section 843.02, trespass in structure under section 810.08, controlled substance possession under section 893.13. Each charge corresponds to a specific moment where a legal exit was available and declined. One question remains. At what point in this footage was the legal outcome still fully reversible? And did the officers exercise the maximum discretion available to them or the minimum required? The footage that follows contains the answer, but it raises a deeper question about the gap between what the law permits and what it demands.